Hi there, Blender users. I'm normally a Lightwave user, but I'm looking into Blender because I think there is some interesting development on this platform, and I've been using it for some small projects from time to time, but I'm far from experienced yet. But I plan to in the future if all goes well. And it's all exciting with this new 2.8 version and so on, new GUI and so on. But I want to share some info. I'm experiencing some weirdness with the new version. I know it's beta, I know it's under development, but I still think perhaps if I show this, it can help you guys to share if you experience something similar, or perhaps some of the developers can see this and see perhaps what's going on. So this is version 2.979, and this is the wireframe model here. Let me just change so you can see the rendered model here. This is a model I made earlier for the Donkey Kong Game & Watch game. This is not textured yet, but just to show you how this renders just fine in 2.79. And it's done now, and as you see, it looks pretty nice. If I then drag this away, I have behind this, let's check splash screen, 2.8 alpha, and in here as well I can show this, and the wireframe looks a bit different in 2.8. It's like something is ghosted or something, but still that might be some settings I need to figure out. I'm not really going to look into that right now, but the model seems fine so far, and if I render, it also comes out pretty fine, like in the 2.79 version, as you see, and it will render done in a second. There you go. So, but if I take the new version beta of the 2.8, and I have tested in like 10 different releases of the beta now, and still this appears. As you see in the wireframe, there are now some weird lines going on here and over here, and there are some other places there's like some weird cracks. But if I try to select, you can see I can select, but they are not getting selected. So it's like they not even exist. Some kind of weird render bug. And there's nothing there. There's no geometry there at all. And you could see that on the earlier version also. And if I go to render, let me put this. You see, I get like these weird errors over here and over here, down here, and over here and up and around here. That is not even present. There's also a little bit here. And the funny thing is, if I turn on the edit mode, it's like the render error disappears. There's some shadows, but it disappears. Also here you see the white area is gone, but if I turn edit mode off again, it's like it flashes and then boink, we get weird stuff happening. So I just thought I wanted to share this in case some of you experience the same problem with the beta version of 2.8, and perhaps some of the developers are watching this and can look into this. And of course, if the developers can use my scene, if it can benefit you, just send me a message, and I will be happy to share the scene with you.